Hey, you guys, I hope all is well with you all. Sharing with you guys the fall gardening, what's going on right now. Right here, we have some bok choy coming up in different spots. That's from last year. And then I think it's been about 2 weeks ago. My little one and we planted some bok choy. I believe this is bok choy in here. This whole bed, I believe, is bok choy. That's a lizard. I'm not wet. The lizard. Chilling out. And then I think in this bed, do you remember what we planted in this bed here? That's bok choy, right? And what was in this one? Some collard greens. We gotta pull those
Where are the
weeds out.
carrots?
Oh, we planted carrots in here. It was in this one.
Yes. What do carrots look like?
It'll kind of look like that top, the that parsley. It'll look a little bit like that. It was in this one. No, those are not. So these are some grasses. You had to get on some, put on some they call this nut grass. I don't know. I did a video the other day when we planted these, but I had to edit it. It was a problem. So, but anyway, that's the baby bok choy, the little small bok choys growing here. Trying to see what thing else look different. And that's our pineapple patch. I call this the tropical patch. We have turmeric growing down there. And then we had that big tree there, a plant is yucca. Underneath is the yucca root that's growing underneath there. Only get the grasses out. And then we have here the papaya. The papaya is growing. See the big papayas growing out there. Now that one down there on the ground, that's our original papaya tree or plant that failed over after the storm last year. But it kept producing. If you can see there, it's still producing right there. And this is the babies. These are some of the papayas that fell on the ground. And they're producing more papayas. That's our blackberry right there. We have some more turmeric over here and some ginger. That's the ginger, turmeric. It's nice out here. I'm not sure. I think these look like collard greens. I believe that's collard greens. And this is one of our sour sap or guavanaba tree. Spanish name. I think I said it right. little one over here, helping pulling out the weeds. You can get those other ones that look just like the ones that's there. I forgot the name of this herb here. And then we have the lemon grass that's growing there. This is wild. I wanted to leave it like that, but this is a dandelion from last year. We get the flowers off, and if you can tell, we have more dandelion coming up. You see that root? You can take that root and use it, and that's what I do. I take the root and use it. We have about 3 banana plants. Oh, we got some coconuts coming through. Go over there. Shoot my husband know. Chloe, come here. What happened?
The weed connected to another weed.
Really?
Mhm.
So it's who the fittest one will survive. Right here is my herb. Sound like I heard that back though.
I need to go find the place to fish.
Look at the mushrooms, Ezra. This look like the chicken one. I'm gonna tell my husband to leave it.
Mom, don't touch them. They're poisonous.
No, this is not. If this the chicken one is
They're
not.
poisonous. Dad told me they're poisonous, Mom. Don't.
I think I have a book. I have some rue, lavender, sage. Right there is plantain, rue, anise. I'm hoping that my I had bought a nettles plant last year and another one for vein. I'm hoping that they come back up this year. And I don't know what this one is. I don't remember. That's probably not something I planted. We're gonna get these potatoes out of here, and I'm gonna make a lot of sweet potato pies and freeze them. And I see a big old spider web right there. It's one of the mango trees here. This is the sugar apple. Bless you.
Mom, there shouldn't be any spider webs. Dad, look,
Come here. There is the coconuts. Oh, it's so nice out here. Some lime, some sugar. What that? Star apple, star fruit, bananas, coconuts. This is lychee. It rained this morning.
Oh, really? Cool.
Mm-hmm. Ooh. Got a ghost pepper over there. That's some of the fruit trees we have. But this papaya is loaded. These leaves you can use medicinal, as well as the avocado leaves, the mango leaves, the lime or